Today I'll continue the lesson number 5 multiplication for you. Coming to page number 35 in your textbook. Second main, find the product of the following. Find the product of the following. Okay children, see first one 35 multiplied by 6. 35, this is the multiplication symbol. 35 multiplied by 6. If you know, you can do directly. See, from 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 carry, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3, 21. If you know, you can do directly. Otherwise, you can do like this children. 35 into 6. 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 carry, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2, 18 plus 3, 21. So, 35 into 6 is 210. Like that, second one, 355 multiplied by 7. If you know directly, you can do. Otherwise, you go for the working column and put like this in column wise. You can do this. 7 5s are 35, 5, 3 carry, 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 3, 36, 37, 38, 8, 3 carry, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 3, 22, 23, 24. So, 355 into 7 is 2485. See, third sum, 752 multiplied by 10. So, first you multiply this. From right to left come. 1 2s are 2, 1 5s are 5, 1 7s are 7. That is 752 1s are 752. Put how many 0 is there? 1 0. So, put 1 0 at last. Okay. So, next fourth sum, 645 multiplied by 500. Okay. So, from multiply this one, 5 5s are, I'll put in the working column. See, 6 4 5 multiplied by 500. Okay. So, you know that any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 5s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 6s are 0. Once place is over, I'll put plus or 0 here. Second, start from the tens place. All the number multiply. 0 5s are 0, 0 4s are 0, 0 6s are 0. Next, ones place over, tens place over. I'll put 0 or plus here. So, now start from the 100 place here. See, 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, 2 carry, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 0, 0, 5, 2, 2, 3. Okay, if you add this 3 also, you'll get this one. So, one easy method is there. How many zeros is there here children? 2 zeros. Afterwards, you can put 2 0. Now, multiply from 5 this 3 digits. See, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 4s are 20, 21, 22, 2 carry, 5 6 are 30, 2 carry is 31, 32. Okay. How many zeros is there? 2 zeros. Then you put. See, here also same. Fifth sum children now. So, 145 multiplied by 100. So, you can do directly this. If 1 is given, see 145 ones are 145. How many zeros is there? 2 zeros is there. Okay children. Now, sixth sum, 457 multiplied by 100. See, 457 ones are 457. How many zeros is there here? 2 zeros. Okay. Now, next third main. Okay, third main, fill in the blanks children. First one is what is there? 150 into dash is equal to 300. Okay. So, I already thought division for you. So, if you multiply 300 is multiplied by 150, divide by 150, you will get the answer. Otherwise, if you know the table, you can go 150 1s are 150. So 152s are see. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2. 1 carry is 3. That is 15 2s are 300. So 15 2s are 2 has to come. 152s are 300. So okay, second sum. 59 into dash is equal to 7080. 7080. How many tables it must go? You had to learn. So it was difficult. You have to write till 59 tables, till how much it will get. So better you divide this number from 59. See, 7080 divided by 59. So now it was easy. See, if you know the table, see 59 ones are 59. 59 twos are 2 nines are 18, 1 carry, 2 fives are 10, 1, 11, 180 will come. So you will take 2 digits because this is 59 is smaller than 70. So you can take 59 ones are 59, 59 ones are 59. So minus from 0, 9 will not go. So borrow from 7, this will become 6, this will become 10. From 10 minus 1 is 10, sorry, 10 minus 9 is 1. Now from 6, 5 will go how much, children? From 6 take away 5 is 1. So now you have to take down 8 down. Okay. See how many times it will go? 59 twos are 180. So 59 twos are 118. So 0, 0, 0. Now I have to take 0 here down. So 59 zeros are 0. So how many times? 59 into 120 is 7080. Okay, you have to put like this. Okay. Now third one, 266 into dash 532 0 0. Okay, that is 53,200. So you know the multiplication, you do first 2 6, otherwise go for the division. 262 ones are 262. 262 twos are 2 twos are 4. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 twos are 4 1. 524. How much you want? 532. So it was, otherwise you go for the division. 262 divided. See, 261 are 1. 2 how many times? 524 came. So you want how much? 32. So you can take 2s, 262 2s. See, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 1, 13, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 1, 5. Okay, children, multiplication I done here wrong. So I done here C. 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 1, 13. 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 1, 5. So 532. 0 minus this one. Then take down this 0. Right, 266. Zeros are 0. Now take another one 0. 266. Zeros are 0. So how many times it went? How many times it went? 266 into 200. You got 500 because I put here 62. So I done wrong. But it is 266. Okay, children. So 266 divide 53,200. From 200 you will get the answer. See. 2 zeros here. 2 6 are 12, 1 carry. 2 6 are 12, 13, 1 carry. 2 2s are 4, 1, 5. Okay, children. I done wrong because I put 262 table. But it is 266 table. Okay. Now fourth sum, children. Fourth sum. 121 into dash is equal to 3,630. So if you know the table till come you have to do. Otherwise you best is go for the division. Okay. 3,630 divided from 121. You write the table here. 121 ones are 121. 121 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 242. 121 threes are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3. Okay, children. So 121 threes are how much? 363. Threes are 363. So 0, 0. Now take 0. 121 zeros are 0. You know that any number multiplied by 0 is 0 only. Okay. So how many times? 30 times. 121 30 is a 3630. So you have to continue these sums in rough notebook, not in the class works. Okay. Now coming to page number 36 in your textbook, children. Fourth pen, children. Coming to page number 36 in your textbook, fourth pen, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks that one. Okay, children. First one is what? 205 multiplied by 16 is equal to dash into 205. Here 205 multiplied by 16 is equal to dash into 205. What number we should write? Here 205 multiplied by 16 is equal to dash into 200. So you have to write 16. See, for example, I'll give 4 into 5 is equal to dash into 4. What you have to write? 4 into 5, 20. That is equal to dash into 4 means 5 4s are 20. Okay, children. So 205 into 16 is equal to 16 into 205. Second one, 23 into 90 multiply dash into 90 means how much you should write? 23. Third one, 7 into 12 into 23 is equal to 7 into 12 into dash. So we have learnt the properties of multiplications. We have learnt now. See, 7 into 12 into 23. 12 and 23 is grouped here. Okay, here 7 and 12 is grouped. Which number is missed here? 23. So fourth one, 2467 into 1 is equal to dash. So you know that any number, see 5 ones are 5, 22 ones are 22, 167 ones are 160, like that. 2467 ones are 2400. Any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself will be the answer. So fifth one, 2925 multiplied by dash is equal to 0. So we have learned that in the property any number multiplied by 0 is, see, 2 zeros are 0, 14 zeros are 0, 225 zeros are 0. So 2925 multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay, children, coming to page number 37 in your textbook. Activity 2. See, find the product. Okay, children. So, first one, 5 into multiplied by 1000. So, you know that. See, 5 ones are 5. How many zeros is there? 3 zeros put. Okay. See, conclusion is, see in your textbook they are given in multiplication of a number by 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, like that. We first multiply the multiplicand by the digit which is to the left of 0. Then in the multiplier and then put the number of zeros to the right of the product. Okay. See, and 1 5 is a 5. So 3 zeros right side I put. So another sum I will do 3 into 5000. Okay. You know that 3 5s are 15 or 5 3s are 15. How many zeros is there? 3 zeros. Okay. If the 0 is there, put. Otherwise your number is also there, means you must not put, children, only by 1000, 2000, 3000, 100, like that. Okay. Third one, 10 into 3000. So you know the tables of 3 tens or 10 threes. 10 threes how much, children? 30. How many zeros is there here? 1, 2, 3. Right side 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, fourth one, 6 into 3000. Okay. So 3 6 or 6 3s how much, children? 3 6 18. How many zeros is there here? 3 zeros. Put 3 zeros on right side of the number. Okay. So another one is fifth one, 16 into 9000. So 16 nines or if you don't know, you go for 16 into 9 in the working column. 9 6 54. 4 right here, 5 carry, 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So 144. How many zeros is there? 16 nines or 9 16s are 144. So So how many zeros is there? 3 zeros put here. Okay. Next, sixth one. 11 into 7,000. So 11 sevens are 77 or 7 11s are 77. So how many zeros is there? 3 zeros. Okay. So activity 1 and 2 I has completed, children. Next class I'll continue activity 3 and 4. So thank you.